Greetings from WhiteLines Technologies. I am Juliet Abraham, Head of Business Operations. We are proud to announce a one-day online workshop on 3rd of April 2021 at 12 p.m. The workshop will be on Plc and Scada programming, and it will be a 100% practical session and will also include basics of industrial automation and its career scope. We are providing this session completely free for all engineers who are looking for a career in the core field. Do register yourself by clicking the link given below. Do share this video with your friends and make use of this golden opportunity. Looking forward to see you all on 3rd April, 12 p.m. Thank you. Have a great day.